This is TCGG Pokemon here with another pack opening with the new series XY BREAKpoint. Today we'll be opening up 20 XY BREAKpoint packs from 25, sorry, from the Dollar Tree we picked up today. They were each $1. I'll begin with opening up these 10 packs. We have Mega Gyarados and some Greninja packs in a Luxray one. Each of these have 3 game cards in them, so let's begin. And those are the other 5 being thrown over there. Okay. First pack. Get rid of that. We have a Lapras. Let me focus the camera. We have a Lapras, a Gible, and a Seismitoad as the rare. That's the first pack. Second pack. Okay. We have a Luxio, a Ducklet, and a Shinx.
Nice. That one was mixed up.
That one,
Luxio is the rare.
Luxio is the rare in that one. No, Luxio is an uncommon. I don't even think we got a rare. Yeah, we didn't get a rare. Wait, yeah, we didn't get a rare in that pack, which is disappointing. Next pack. We have Frogadier, a Shinx, and a Blitzel, a reverse holo. Reverse foil, my bad. Okay. Next pack. We have a Delinquent, a Drowsy, ooh, and a full art Darkrai. This is the first EX that we've gotten out of these packs, which is pretty nice. A full art EX, and this will be a nice addition to my collection. Let me get a sleeve real quick.
Oh, and it's the good material too, like the rough one. That's actually a good card. Dude, what was that, like the 3rd pack?
Yeah, that was the 4th pack, I believe.
Oh. Yeah, same.
Okay, I got a sleeve right here. I'll put that Darkrai right there for now. And we'll continue opening the packs.
Darkrai EX full art.
And Darkrai EX full art. Okay. There's that. Okay, for our first card, Misty's Determination, an Electabuzz, and a Ferrothorn. The next pack. It's a Greninja pack. We have a Palpitoad, a Blitzel. We have a Palpitoad, a Blitzel, and a Meowstic rare. Next pack. We're almost done with these first 10 right here. We have a Luxio, a Furfrou, and a reverse holo Ferroseed. Reverse foil. I keep on getting those mixed up.
What's the difference?
Okay, next pack, it's a Greninja pack again. Oh, I saw that we had something good here. Build up again. We have a Swanna, a Froakie, and a full art Gyarados!
Gyarados!
Gyarados! This is the second full art that we've pulled out of these packs. A nice Mega Gyarados full art. 2 full arts, not too bad. I'll get a 3 for this Mega Gyarados.
Gyarados! Pull rate's so high.
Pull rates are pretty high in these packs. We already have 2 full arts, one being a Mega, one just being a normal EX.
Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree packs. These are the best packs to get. Now we will be opening up another pack. This one being the last Greninja one for this pile. We have Arcanine, a Shinx, and a Spritzy. No rare in this one, but it's okay. We got 2 full art EX pulls, some really nice pulls here. For the last pack in this first half, we have a Stantler, a Froakie, and another Spritzy. That'll conclude our first half of these Dollar Tree BREAKpoint packs. We got a full art Darkrai and a Mega Gyarados. Now to open up the second half of these. This one being a Luxio pack. You can already see that we got a Trubbish. We have a Blade, a Trubbish, and a Camerupt.
Gyarados.
Next pack, we have a Tierno, a Corsola, and a Drowsy. Next pack, we have an Arcanine, a Staryu, and an Electabuzz. So far, no good pulls out of these the second half of these packs. But now we're opening up the Scizor packs. Mega Skyzor. Skyzor. Okay. Having a little bit of trouble. Okay. In this pack, we have an Aromatisse, a Slowpoke, and a Reverse Foil Drapion. Next pack, another Scizor, Mega Scizor art. Put that there. We have a Slowbro, a Clefairy, and a Lilligant.
Wow.
Again, no good pulls yet in the second half. This pack, we have a Splash Energy. This is cool. An Electabuzz, and a Reverse Foil Esper. We have a Splash Energy. Next pack, we only have 3 more after this. Approaching the final 3, and then we have those last 5 Scizor packs up there. We have a Great Ball, a Drowsy, and another Spritzy. Okay, final 3 packs, all Scizor. Let me focus those. There we go, we can see those packs pretty well now. Okay, in this pack we have a Gabite, a Seedot, and a Chikorita. Nothing too exciting there. Second to last pack out of these 20 packs. Having more trouble opening up this one. Hopefully there's a good card in there. We have, dropped the first one, which was a bursting balloon. We have a Chikorita and a Corsola. Final one of these packs we have is a Scizor pack. Hopefully we can get another nice pull on this second half of this opening. We have a Kricketune, a Numel, and a reverse foil Honedge. So one more recap out of these $20 store BREAKpoint packs. We had two pretty nice pulls. We had the Mega Gyarados and the Darkrai EX Full Arts, which are two very nice cards. And now we will be opening up the next 5 packs.